Sanibonani egameni lenkosi uJesu Kristu, amen. Yo, we've lost a legend. We've lost an icon in South Africa. Super Mega was 1 in a million. Super Mega cared a lot about the industry. Ukuthi ikhule. When AkA decided to feature on one of my upcoming artists who had only one album, and for him to feature in that album, that showed me that this guy is special. This guy has a big heart. He came through to the video shoot. Where is the Super Mega, man? When we talk about levels, when we're at the Super Mega level, we're at the last level, at the top. And to be honest, 2014, I'm being safunda yabong sabuguchi, you know how everything is going in the industry. Super Mega came through to the video shoot with his stylist. Wafika ne baba yakhe ezomshefa right at the video shoot. I was like, this man is focused. This man knows what he's doing. We can learn a lot as artists from this man, the way he carries himself. I will get those calls in the morning when a hit is about to change South Africa. I call him the king of South African radio because he always came with a hit. Like it or not, we will hear AkA on our street and he will top the charts and he will remain the best. And this time around he called me, sent me a song from the Bovamania album. And when I was listening to the song, now I was starting to feel the song. Man, this song super rocking. I decided to take a video and post the video. When I'm going back to the house, my wife Kuku says, "Did you listen to the lyrics of that song that you've just posted?" I'm like, "No, but the flow is nice. I'm not sure what he's singing about, but..." And he was like, "Simply is gonna block you." And I mean, me and Megas connected in a lot of ways. Business-wise, we'll do mega shows and we'll fill up slums. When he came with an idea to bring the orchestra to Egwini, I was like, I'm so happy and I'm gonna promote this show the best way I can. We promoted that show. We gave the people of Eteni a hip-hop star performing alongside the 44-piece orchestra. It was amazing. In closing, I would like to say, as South Africa